Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Okay, listen. Winter Island Law is cool. The instant capture is broken. But do not let Bandai fool you. He is the bait. The real storm is coming. We know Blackbeard fought Law on Winter Island, so if Law is here, Marshall D. Teach is next. But today I'm giving you a different prediction. I don't think he's just going to be a defender. I think Bandai is about to drop the first ever dual element EX. Darkness and light, 2 devil fruits, 2 elements, 1 game-breaking unit. Let's break down how this monster would work. Here is the concept. Just like Extreme Zoro changes colors, I predict Blackbeard will switch elements based on the skill he uses. Use skill 1, you become Dark Element. You are now strong against red, blue, and green, perfect for crushing Law, S, Snake, and Roger. Use skill 2, you become Light Element. You are now strong against dark units, perfect for countering Saturn and other Blackbeards. You basically have no elemental weakness. You are the apex predator. The broken part: if you catch a power user, like Gear 5 or Law, you drain their skill cooldowns and give them to yourself. You steal their power, or a massive long-range shockwave that ignores defense and ignores obstacles. The Law counter: if an enemy is capturing a flag, this skill hits them for 200% extra damage. Law thinks he can instant cap, not if he gets one shot from across the map before he touches the flag. Why does this beat Winter Island Law? Color advantage: when in dark mode, Blackbeard naturally destroys red units like Law. Anti-runner trait: I predict a trait where, when an enemy starts capturing treasure, reduce their capture speed by 50%. This directly nerfs Law's speed hacks. Who stops him? Pure Haki users, Shanks, Roger. Blackbeard relies on countering devil fruits. Shanks, light runner, uses Haki, so he won't get his skills drained. Plus, Shanks is fast enough to dodge the quakes. Winter Island Law is for people who want to play the objective. Blackbeard V2 is for people who want to destroy the lobby. If this dual element concept happens, the game changes forever. Save your rainbow diamonds, because 3,500 might not be enough. Let me know in the comments. Do you want a defender Blackbeard or this dual element attacker? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more leaks and theories. Stay salty, and I'll see you in the next video.